My name is Karen Daly and I teach mathematics at DKIT, a third level college in Ireland. This video was produced to further assist my first year computing students with their mathematical studies. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add any two numbers in the octal number system. Enjoy! The octal number system is base 8 and it uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. A typical number in the octal number system might be 5, 1, 6. And we write a little 8 down here to indicate that 516 is an octal number, base 8. Let's consider the following addition. Here we have 531 in base 8 and we're going to add it to 203 base 8. Now what we do is we have 3 and 1 is 4 and 4 is a number, an octal number, so we just write it down. So 4 base 8. We have 3 and 0 is 3, 3 is an octal number, so we write that down, 3. And last we have 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 again is an octal number, so we write it down. And the answer is 734 base 8. Now let's consider a slightly more difficult example. We have 535 base 8 and we're adding it to 153 base 8. Now the first addition is 5 plus 3. If I write it over here, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now 8 is not an octal number. So what we have to do, 8 is a decimal number, what we have to do is write 8 as an octal number. And 8 as an octal number is equal to, well, it's an 8 plus 0, so it's equal to 10 base 8. So what we do is we put down the 0 and we carry 1. And again, this is base 8. For the next addition, we have 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 plus 3 plus 1. And that's equal to 9. Now as an octal number, 9, well, it's an 8 plus 1. So it's equal to 1 base 8. So what we do is we put down 1 and we carry 1. And then lastly, we have 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. And 7 is an octal number, so we just write it down. So the answer is 710 base 8. Now let's try one last example to see have we got the idea. Here we have 766 base 8 and we're adding it to 774 base 8. Now the first addition, 6 plus 4 is 10, right? And if I write 10 down here, 10 is in decimal, and in octal then, that's equal to 8 plus 2. So in octal, that's 12 base 8. So what we do is we put down 2 and we carry the 1. And that again is in base 8. Now what we have in the next addition is 6 plus 1 plus 7. So that's 14. The decimal 14 is equal to 8 plus 6. So it's equal to 16 base 8. So what we do is we put down the 6 and we carry 1. Now for the last addition, let me write it along here. We have 7 plus 1 plus 7. And that's equal to 15. Now 15 again is equal to 8 plus 7. So decimal 15 is equal to 17 base 8. So what we do is we put down the 7 and we carry the 1. And lastly, the 1 just comes here. So what we have is the answer 1762 base 8. Now what I would like you to do is to pause the video, take out a pen and paper and try these 3 exercises yourself. And when you're done, turn the video back on and I will go through the solutions with you. So part A should be straightforward. We have 4 plus 0 is 4. Alright? And 4 is an octal number. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 is an octal number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is an octal number, so the number is 674 base 8. Now for part B, we have 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 in octal is 10. So we put down the 0 and we carry 1. And this is in base 8. Then we have 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 is 12, and 12 is 14 in octal, so we put down the 4 and we carry 1. 7 and 1 is 8, and 4 is 12, and 12 again is 14 in octal, so we put down the 4 and we carry the 1, and then this one just comes here. So the answer is 1440 base 8. In part C, I've introduced a fractional part, but we will add them exactly the same as you would expect, beginning from right to left. The first addition is 6 plus, and understood there is a 0. 6 plus 0 is 6, so we just write down 6 because 6 is an octal number. 5 plus 4 is 9. We have no octal number 9, so we write it as an octal number, and 9 is 1, 1, so we put down 1 and we carry 1, put in our fractional point. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11, and 11 in decimal, when we convert it to octal, we will get 3, 1. So we put down 3 and we carry 1. 1, 3, sorry. 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 is 12, and in octal 12 is 1, 4. So we put down 4 and we carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and in octal 8 is 1, 0, so we put down 0 and we carry 1, and that's the 1 there. So the answer is 1043.16 base 8. The follow-on video is hexadecimal addition.